Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Let me introduce BONOSS. As a top brand focused on optimizing the safety and performance of Lotus Eletre wheel spacers, BONOSS has been dedicated to cutting-edge design and meticulous manufacturing since 2007, with rich manufacturing and trading experience. From measurement to design, from production to testing, from packaging to sales, BONOSS promises to deliver the most professional and high-security products and service. The BONOSS Lotus Eletre wheel spacers have global pattern active cooling design. The BONOSS Forge active cooling Lotus Eletre wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. And all BONOSS Lotus Eletre wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and they have two types of materials we can choose. One is aluminum alloy 6061P6, the other is aluminum alloy 7075P6. The 6061P6 for daily driving, and the 7075P6 for racing, drifting, or extreme driving. MH ISO grade 10 laminate. The matching insert laminate used for the cooling material by continuously forging process. MH ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud, and the material both use SCM 440 steel material. BONOSS has over 66 HUS and TU test reports. Also, BONOSS provide OEM ODM service and customization service. You can customize the wheel spacers complete in 1 to 3 days at the fastest, and you can choose the wheel spacer size from 3 mm to 160 mm, and PCD-CV composition. BONOSS has a complete Lotus Eletre wheel spacer production chain, offering various specifications and models. The factory is equipped with professional equipment to ensure product quality and precision, and has an efficient production and logistics system to ensure timely delivery and flexible adjustment. We have more than 10 R&D staff who focus on innovation and improvement. You can complete the adjustment within 2 months after the new car model launch, and only 2 weeks for popular models. According to market feedback and technology progress, we continuously improve our products and provide personalized solutions. After more than 3,000 measurements, the installation case has exceeded 10,000 times. We have strict supply chain management to ensure the quality of raw materials and products, meet the needs of large volume orders, and have a good sales network in various international markets. BONOSS Lotus Eletre wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind. BONOSS want to provide more additional functions for the Lotus Eletre wheel spacers and make the wheel spacer safer, higher performance, and better installation experience. With that same patient forecast, we think that using high-performance parts can really up the driving experience and add more serious volume. BONOSS, good pasture view.